I am going to show you how to merge videos on Canva easily. First, create a new design by clicking the Create a Design button. Next, choose Video as your design type. Then, drop in the videos you want to merge into your project. You can simply drag and drop them into the Canva workspace. After that, click the Share button in the top right corner. Now, select Download from the drop-down menu. Make sure to select all pages to include every video in your download. Also, ensure that download pages as separate files is unchecked. This will merge the videos into a single file. Finally, hit the download button and your merged video will be ready to save.